Hello, my name is Dr. Julie Shaner, and I'm a member of the Orthopedic Surgery Division at UF Health, Jacksonville. I'm looking to make my way to the Flagler area, and I specialize in total joint replacement, which includes replacing hips and knees. I thought I'd let people know that I was initially drawn to orthopedic surgery because my entire life I had an interest in art and athletics, and I was fortunate enough that through my adult years these interests persisted. I found my way into medical school and then discovered the field of orthopedics, which fortunately combined both of these. Couldn't have been luckier to realize that such a field existed. And so now I get to spend every day doing something I love tremendously, which is performing adult reconstructive surgeries and specifically doing joint replacement, so performing a hip replacement or a knee replacement surgery. I also do revision surgeries of the hip and the knee joint. And reasons people may end up coming to see me to have their hips or knees replaced can include having just regular old wear and tear of the joints, all the destruction we've done over the ages, conditions that include certain pathologies that have destroyed the joint surfaces, trauma to the hip or knee related to traumatic experiences in the past or recently, infections, among many others. What I enjoy most about performing hip and knee replacement surgeries is being able to make a significant change in people's lives. I love performing surgery in and of itself, but more so, it's the result you're able to provide for a patient. Seeing people come in with pain and disability is incredibly difficult, but knowing that you can improve their quality of life by performing a hip and knee surgery or revision hip and knee surgery, getting them back to living a life of enjoyment is something I really particularly enjoy about my specialty.